really hope I don't drill into something important.
Cool.
Perfect. Hell yeah, now we can drill the rest of them. And then put the screws in.
Too bad you didn't think about painting it. But I mean, no one's gonna see it anyways.
Well, I'm gonna take it back out and paint it.
Oh, you're gonna take it back out?
Oh yeah? We gotta pre-fit everything first. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to put the the nuts on the other side. Yeah, we're gonna have to do that. Can't get a welder up in there, so just gonna use like JB Weld or something. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Hopefully you didn't tear up any wires.
I would feel it if I did.
That would really suck.
Yes. Yeah, I can just pressure on it. So get it on there. And done. Did I do that one? Actually, I didn't. But it's fine, I'll do it later.
Glued one of them up there.
And it didn't work.
Did not work.
So I'm using self-tapping screws. Oh yeah, that's solid. We should have done that in the first place. I still needed a pre-drill because that was pretty hard. So I can super glue everywhere. Now let me get a bunch of those, and we'll finish this some bitch off.
Yeah. Get it done.
It's gonna be a lot easier. I tell you what.
Mm-hmm.
I tell you what.
Alright, now we just gotta take care of the back.
Yeah.
I mean, you have options.
I do. I'm gonna see. I didn't drill this one end on this side.
Yeah?
I did not. So I'm gonna see what it's like if I just use a self-tapping one. A lot of work. Not doing it.
Yep. Yeah.
Oh yeah, dude, that looks good.
Go ahead and get a nice look at it.
Yeah.
Nice and pretty.
So I already got this part here. So what I'm thinking is that I'll just get, yeah, that'll make noise. So if I clamp it to that somehow.
Move the clutch now.
Yeah, that's clear to that.
Okay. Is anything else blocking it or anything?
No, I think we're clear on it.
What about the gas pedal? Why is that not attached to anything?
It is. The throttle cable's right there. Goes through there.
Ah.
The clutch cylinder and the brake cylinder is on the firewall on the other side, so that's why those go up and the gas pedal doesn't.
Cool.
So I'm gonna get to thinking on this, and we'll be back. I'll see what I can find.
Cool.
Hey. All right, so we're back. I got that bar, and I just bent it in the vise. And I know it's not even, but it's not a big deal. It's just support. One side is pretty straight, so I'll use that to drill into. So I'm gonna drill straight through this lip and this lip, and I'll put a drill hole through this, and I'll probably do it this way. I'll bolt it to that frame there enough where I can bolt it to this part, and that should keep it pretty solid. So we'll see how that goes. We're gonna drill it and everything to put it on.
All right, cool. And what drill bits are we using?
Drill size?
Yep.
Well, I just bought those today. They're Craftsman. They're on sale.
Craftsman. The bar that we bent from.
Yeah, that's the side.
Nice and sturdy.
These are all my Jeep bolts that I kept. Always keep them because you don't want to go to the store and buy bolts where you can just have them for free.
Oh yeah, we had a malfunction injury, by the way.
Yeah, that big piece fell after I cut it, and it scraped across a blister that I already had, and cut that son of a bitch open.
Mm-hmm. Good times.
Yes.
Had to get to the hospital and everything.
Yes. I didn't find electrical tape, but I used plumber's tape. It's just as good.
Professional plumber at your service.
Yeah. All right. I don't know if that's long enough.
I don't think it is.
I don't need it to be horribly long. I think it might be all right if I take the washer out. I replaced the hardware on my soft top, so that's what this came from.
Oh,
Came with everything, yeah. Actually, I think that'll be all right. Look how big that is. That'll do. Yeah. So now, guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna find the correct size drill bit with the theory that we have. It works pretty good. So that looks like a good size. So this doesn't have to be as close as it fits, because it's going to be a nut on the other side where it's going to be easier to get to. Make sure to put it in straight. Guess what? Perfect.
Nice.
So we'll use this one. Now we grab this hammer, wherever I put that. We use to drill for the tap holes.
Oh yeah, his daddy pulled up and then we have.
Yeah, I got a really nice place to do this at.
Yeah, now we just have like a whole heavy machinery equipment to do everything with.
I don't know how to use any of it. I'm not allowed to use any of it, but it's fine. So I'll do it right there. I'm going to start with a smaller one, like you're supposed to.
Another hole.
Whatever it was. I think the joke's about right.
Main hook. No one's there.
That stuff. I put that over there. There we go. Perfect. So this side's gonna be on the bottom.
What you should do is get the drill and then kind of, I don't know if it's long enough, drill through.
Go straight through.
Yep. Line
Well,
it
it
up.
doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be lined up perfectly. It's just gotta fit. So what we're gonna do now, actually, we're gonna get to the smaller drill bit. We're gonna go over there, test fit it, and drill it where we need to drill onto that piece. That's gonna be annoying, but whatever. So we got the pre-drill hole. So we're gonna do it this way. We're gonna put it on this way. That's gonna be annoying. I might have to get a little sheet. Oh, that'll be all right. So I believe it's right about there. Fuck it. Ah, yes.
Okay, we'll be right back after we get that drilled.
Yeah, after a water break for outer
You
shape.
still haven't got the Dr. Pepper.
Oh God.
Go get it.
I'll be here doing stuff. Okay, it's a new day. I'm about to get started on doing the middle section of it, which is this template. I put it back up under the Jeep, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace it until here where I had that mark, and I'm going to go straight back to where the last cut was. So a lot more of it will be covered. So that little section over there, right next to this cable there, and that harness, well, it would be showing. So if I moved it back as far as the original one did, then it'll be even or close to even, and it'll cover more. So that's how I want it there. There. Okay. And then we get the straight edge we had. Just eyeball it. Oops. There. Now we got our cutout. Move this over here. That's really expensive, so it's not my expensive, but it's someone else's, and you want to be very careful. So we're gonna cut that out. See if I can get a good angle so I can see what I can do. Okay, so we got that cut out. Now we're gonna sand it just on the edges to straighten them up a bit and keep them from being so burred that it can get dangerous. Like yesterday, it's not a whole lot, but it's more annoying than anything. Okay, so we're back under here, and this is the driver's side of the steering wheel. I'm just gonna zip tie this harness out of the way. I think I have enough room for that cable to stay there with it in, but if not, we might have to do some additional cutting. But I got the other cables on the other side moved out of the way enough where they will be out of the way up under. They stuffed perfectly under the ductwork, basically for the heater, for the airflow. I don't know exactly what that's called, but to finish doing the driver's side, I'm going to have to use the driver's side to do the middle. So I'm going to install the driver side, install the little bracket we have back here, and once I get that installed, I should be able to have enough room and to figure out if I want to overlap it on this last drill hole, which I think I want to, but if it sticks out too much, like it's not as even or flush, then I'll skip that and do it another time, and just slide it over so it's flush. I don't think that'd be a big issue, but we'll see, I guess, you know. Let's see what else. I think that's it here. I need to get the bracket installed because I just painted it, so we might have to wait for that to be painted. But then we're going to install the driver's side, so we'll get that going.